Hello friends, today we will discuss isoquants and expansion path. An isoquant is a curve that represents all the combinations of two inputs such as labor and capital that produce the same level of output. It is similar to an indifference curve in consumer theory, but it is applied to the theory of production. So some key points. First is isoquants are typically convex to the origin, which means that the principle of diminishing marginal rate of technical substitution, that is known as MRTS, is applied here. This means that as producers substitute one input for another, the rate at which he can substitute them decrease. Second is non-intersecting. Isoquants do not intersect because each isoquant represents a different level of output. Higher isoquants, higher the isoquants, higher is the level of output. So higher isoquants represent higher level of output. Expansion path. The expansion path shows the combination of inputs that a firm will choose to produce different levels of output at least cost given the prices of inputs. It is derived from the point where isoquants are tangent to isocost lines. Isocost lines, what are they? The lines representing constant total cost. Isocost line. This line represents all combinations of inputs that cost the same amount. The slope of the isocost line is determined by the ratio of the prices of two inputs. Now, tangency point. The point where an isoquant is tangent to an isocost line represents the least cost combination of inputs for the level of output path. By connecting these tangency points of isoquant and isocost for different levels of output, we can get expansion path. This path shows how the input combination changes as the firm expands its output. So we can say isoquants help us to understand the different combinations of input that can produce a given level of output, while the expansion path shows the cost minimizing combination of inputs for different levels of output.